Hey there! Today I'm gonna be creating press-on nails with this brand, Una Gela. I purchased it on Amazon. This particular box has 104 nail tips and it comes in this flat box as you can see. And the sizes are from 0 to 11. If you have never seen nail tips before, the bigger the size, the smaller the nail tip, meaning that 0 will be the largest nail tip in this box and 11 the smallest. I already placed the nails on the nail stands, and as you can see there is a frosted area. The area is gonna be usually the area that is gonna be in contact with your natural nail. Next I'm gonna be prepping the nail tips for the gel polish application. Today I'm gonna be using primer from the brand Model Ones, and this is gonna create like a sticky layer on top of the nail, so it's kind of like buffing it but just with the chemical. But you can use a regular nail buffer as well for this step. Today for some reason I forgot to apply base gel, but it really doesn't matter in this case because I already applied the primer. And I'm going to continue with this beautiful nude that I purchased on Shein and applying 2 layers and curing each layer for 60 seconds. Today I'm creating a beautiful Christmas set and I'm gonna be using these colors that I purchased on Amazon from the brand Model Ones, and then I'm gonna start with a couple of nails with a red accent and cure it for 60 seconds. I always like to cure my gel polishes for a minimum of 60 seconds. Here I wanted to show you a little clip of me editing. If you guys would like to see a video on how to edit in iMovie, I'll be happy to create one for you. As well, I get free music from the YouTube library. And yeah, so I use a free software, free music. If you're starting a YouTube channel, it's better just to start with what you have available to you for free. So let me know and I'll create one video for you. Okay, so back to the nails. Right now I'm gonna be creating some lines and I just wanted to show you how I prep my liner brush just to paint. I make sure all the paint is right into the bristle of the liner brush and then I squeeze it so it doesn't have that much, and I try to go as steady as possible to create the lines I want to create. I'm gonna be creating some lines here to make it look like a candy cane kind of, and because just I'm bringing the nail up a little bit, holding it into the air to make sure it shows nice and clear on the camera, everything is coming a little bit wiggly. But I will be fixing that the best as I can. I usually clean any messes with a little bit of alcohol or acetone with a small brush just to make sure. So I'm just gonna continue here and cure these nails as I go. That's why you see my lamp going on and off on the side there, because I just want to make sure that everything is cured and I'm not gonna ruin it by bumping into it or touching it. That's why I'm curing as I go. So I already painted the two nails with the candy cane, and the two nails that I previously applied one layer of red, now I'm applying one layer of the glitter red, and it's looking so cute. I really like these colors. And this gel polish does cure really nicely. I don't have any issues with gel polish curing, so if you guys want to try an affordable brand, Model 1 is not too bad, not too bad. Next, I'm gonna be creating a heart, and the heart is gonna be with candy cane lines. This heart is a little bit weird. I was having a hard time drawing this heart, but at the end I just, it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as you get the main idea out there, and top coat, once you apply top coat, believe me, everything looks nicer. I did try to fix it a little bit, but this is what it is. So next I'm gonna paint some candy canes in a couple of the nails, and yes, as I said before, I'm curing everything as I go for 60 seconds. And what did you guys do for the holidays? Did you guys get together with family, or you like to stay home? For me, I prefer the quiet days to stay home, but of course I love spending time with my family, especially my kids and my partner. And my partner family is very nice as well, so we're gonna be spending time with them as well this year, so I'm looking forward to that. And yes, once you are with family in a large group, you catch up with everything that is going on in their life, and it's nice. It's always nice to be present there and to be able to spend that time at this time of the year. I hope you guys are gonna be having an amazing Christmas if you celebrate, and I hope you like these nails today. Guys, I wanted to show you as well this microphone. This microphone is from Amazon. It's very affordable and it does help a lot with the audio. So yes, and this is another tool that can be useful for you if you're starting YouTube. So here on the red nails, I'm gonna be creating a bow, and for some reason this one came out nice and easy for me today. Using a long liner brush does help a lot. So I'm just making sure that I don't have a lot of gel polish on my brush, because I want to get a fine line, and I did take my time while drawing it, and it came out really nice. On the next nail, I'm creating a snowflake with a dotting tool. This is the easiest way I find to create a snowflake. I just mark 3 dots to the top, to the down, and then make like a cross, and after that I just join all the dots. as you can see here, I cure first the 2 lines that go across the bow, and then I draw the rest. I just like to cure separate each part just to make sure I don't ruin it, and then I have to start from zero. At least if I cure one section, I can come back and create the next section. So this is how the nails are looking so far. I'm gonna be using some stickers for some of the nails just to fill some space. I end up applying tiny stickers in different nails and they came out really cute. I purchased these ones on Amazon and I'm very happy with the way they work. They're easy to peel from the paper. Next, I'm going to apply top coat. I purchased this top coat on Shein and it says it's a scratch resistance, and it does look like it because even many days after I can see that the shine is still there, and it cures very nicely as well, so that's why I keep using it. Especially for press-on nails, you need to have a very good top coat. And I use this same top coat as well on my daughter's nails, and they always come out nice and shiny. So once I'm done applying the top coat, I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to take the nails off the stands, filing and reshaping a little bit if I have to. But while I'm curing the nails, I like to clean my tools. I'm just using some acetone here just to remove the gel polish from the nail palette and clean all my brushes as well. Acetone can be a little bit harsh on the brushes, so it's always a good idea to put a little bit of the cuticle oil on the brushes just to keep the bristles nice and smooth. And here you can see that's what I'm doing now. I'm just cleaning the nail tips a little bit because I forgot to filing before I start the nails for today. So it's better always to do as much as you can before you start painting, so you have less work at the end. And yeah, that's the final step. I'm gonna place the nails on a cute box for press-on nails, and here is the final result for today. I just want to say thank you so much if you stay until the end of the video. I really appreciate it. Merry Christmas everyone and Happy New Year. I hope the next year is the best year of our life. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.